It's okay, you draw. You have a lot of space there.
This is correct. Look, this is correct.
First, you have to draw the face. How do you draw the face of a duck?
Bigger.
No, 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 small. Face is small. Hmm.
Um,
Then, what is that?
Big.
It's a beak. Then,
Nose, nose, big nose.
okay, and eyes.
Big, big.
Okay, okay, draw. What do you want to draw? Eye. And where is his body and his wings?
No, he's not a boy. He's a girl.
Okay, her body and her wings.
I cannot draw it.
Why you cannot draw?
Because
That's nice. That is actually quite nice. Let me see it. Show me, Anusha. But bird also has legs. Where are his legs? Yes. And let me see your cute little bird now. Oh, he looks so cute.
no, she looks so cute.
Okay, she looks so cute. All right. You only like girl birds? You don't like boy birds?
No, I'm not a boy. I'm a girl. I have a good dress.
Okay. That looks like a penguin, right?
Yeah.